Hello, it's Alex. I'm under the Allegro again. Just finishing off the repairs to the exhaust system that failed spectacularly at the Rustival show, so good times. Luckily I had some spare parts and I've just cracked on with it despite the horrendous weather. We had like torrential downpours last night, but I'm just getting on with it. Last Sunday I edited up the Rustival video. I just couldn't face looking at the car. I was too fed up with it, but we're a week on. It's now Sunday the following week. Just cracking on with spaz and getting it done. So I actually fitted this exhaust system on Wednesday, but it was knocking on the bodywork, so I came away a bit deflated. I thought, at least it's on the car now, we can just tweak it. So that's exactly what I'm doing this morning. I think I'm just about there. Bear with. Spanner. So luckily I had a complete system. I fitted a brand new shiny downpipe, which joins a brand new centre silencer. This is actually where it failed. I'll show you on the old exhaust, but there's a clean break here, and it had just dropped away, leaving no silencer on the car whatsoever. So just going to make sure these excuse me. Yeah, that's not shaking, but because before I fitted this clamp was knocking on the bodywork. There's actually vibration being sent right down the exhaust system. Yeah, it's all on. What a faff. And it gives me a chance to have a look underneath the car, because I do periodically inspect the underside of the vehicle, but you don't always get the chance to do these things. That's now not fouling. And I painted the new old stock exhaust I put on because it was starting to get a bit rusty around the joint, and I thought, while it's off the car, I'll stick some silver hammerite on it and that'll just protect it against the elements. But you're looking much happier, guys. But fuck me, it's taken some doing. I hate working underneath the car and ramps. It's just, I just never feel safe. That's why I bought these things. Much better. No vibration. So what happened to George's exhaust? Well, it's quite straightforward. There's probably is the original centre box. As you can see, there's a clean break there. I don't know how well that's come up on camera. As you can see, it's a clean break. It's just dropped. That puts stress on the two hangers on this end. We already had the rear box joined to that broke off some time ago. But I'm not going to bin this exhaust because I might get someone to weld that front pipe back on. I don't know. And here's the original front pipe. Now I could have joined the new centre silencer to that, but as you can see, it's a bit flared there. There's a bit of a expanded joint. So I don't know whether that would have sleeved over or into the new centre silencer. Right, so I've got to go back to the car now, put that airbox back on, make sure there's no leaks around the carburetor, make sure there's no leaks around the downpipe flange, on the manifold, so make sure all the exhaust clamps are snug, and then we're ready for that first test fire. Let's crack on. Right, airbox back on and we can give it a test fire. Make sure I haven't lost a seal. No, I haven't, that's good. Yeah, sorry I didn't film it, film me doing the job, because it's one of those ones you just want to crack on and get done. I need this car back on the road because, like I said previously, it's going in for paint shortly, so the sooner this car's mobile again the better. Right. give this a test fire. Sounds alright. Obviously it's a bit smoky because there's going to be a bit of condensation in the system. Good enough. Success. I'm happy with that. Sorry I didn't film it all, guys. It's just one of those jobs I just wanted to get on and get it done. Like I said, the car's actually going for paint in a couple of weeks, fingers crossed. So I just need the vehicle to be back on the road as soon as possible. Also, if you're filming something and then trying to do an explanation, setting the camera up, it takes twice as long to do any job you work on the car because you're constantly concentrating on what you're saying to the camera, and then if I fluff my lines, I've got to redo that, and it just makes the day a hell of a lot longer. I'm sure you know what I'm talking about. Thank you again to Alex for your assistance on the Saturday. I was all over the place, not in the best of moods, and you just helped save the day, so mate, you're a legend. Thank you very much. Sorry it's been a short one today, guys. This is just a bit of an update video really to let you know what's happened since Rustival. I didn't look at the car last week, I just couldn't face it. Wednesday actually, I got under the car. Like I said to you in the introduction, I assembled the exhaust onto the car loosely, but it was knocking on the engine mounts and the bodywork, so, not engine mounts, yeah. I'm not going to take the car off the ramps today because I've noticed the rear fuel pipe going to the fuel tank, just a little bit of short hose, it's corroded again. I must have done that back in May, I think, so within 6 months it's failed again. So I need some decent ethanol proof fuel hose. We'll get that changed over. In fact, hold that thought, because I've actually managed to track down a fuel sender unit. So do we drop the tank, stone chip the tank and then fit that with a new gasket? I think it's about time we did that really. Then we could have a working fuel gauge, that would be good, wouldn't it? Right, so might just hold off on dropping the car. Where have you gone? Hello. Thank you, you're back with me. Right, thanks ever so much for watching, guys. Sorry it's been a short one, but just a bit of an update video, like I said. I need a cup of tea. I shall see you soon with some more content on the Riley and George Allegro. See you soon, take care and drive safe. What?